Here's integrated 3, it's 2-7D, and it wants you to average, it wants you to write the equation in graphing form by finding the vertex and then averaging the intercepts to find the vertex. So you may have noticed that letter D is already in graphing form, so A would be 1, H would be 2, and K would be -1. So anyway, so there's different ways that you can find the intercepts. I like to just plug in 0 for y because that's where the x-intercept happens. So I plugged in 0 for y, and then I just solved the equation by adding 1 to both sides, and then I took the square root of both sides, and then just did my algebra, and I ended up with 3 and 1 for my x-intercepts, and then I averaged them by adding them together and dividing by however many of them there are, and there's only 2, so I got 2. And so if you wonder why I would even bother averaging them, it's because we know that the line of symmetry is going to be in between the two vertices. So I drew a picture to show you. So then if I'm trying to find, so that's the x coordinate of the vertex. If I want to find the y, I plug in 2 because that's what I got for x. And I found that y was -1, and that agrees with the original equation anyway. And then, and then I'm just saying that a must equal 1 because the original equation doesn't, it has that's 1. And then what did I do? Oh, I noticed that homework help told you to square it out. Or homework help wanted you to do this. They wanted you to square this out. And if you do that, it will also work because you'll do a little diamond problem on it and it'll factor out. And then you'll get the intercepts that way. And then you're just right back where you can solve it any way you want. But homework help said maybe square it out. Hope that helps.